In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 circular saws available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the BLACK+DECKER 7¼ circular saw. When making long cuts that must be perfectly straight, a laser guide can provide a clear and obvious reference point. The built-in laser on the BLACK+DECKER BDEX 300C makes properly straight cutting normal 2x boards, ripping plywood, and making miter or bevel cuts on typical 2x boards a snap. The 13-amp motor isn't the most powerful on the market, but it'll suffice for most DIY and house projects. The bevel adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees, and the spindle lock eliminates problems when changing blades. The saw is also relatively affordable, weighing only 7 pounds and being light enough for simple mobility and maneuverability. At number 4 is the Rockwell RK3440K Versacut circular saw. The Rockwell RK3440K Versacut circular saw is ideal for anyone searching for a highly versatile and ergonomic circular saw. The Versacut's streamlined design makes it simple to operate with one hand. Despite its diminutive size, it's capable of doing a wide range of routine DIY tasks around the house or garage. It even has a laser guide built in for precise cutting. The Versacut can cut a wide range of materials, including wood, plastics, ceramic tiles, and even metals such as aluminum and sheet metal. Unlike other circular saws, this one has 3 blades, a 24T carbide-tipped blade for cutting wood, a 44T HSS blade for cutting aluminum and PVC, and a diamond blade for cutting ceramic tile and cement board. Top 3 at our list is the Makita SP6000J 6.5 Plunge circular saw. Only a rail-guided circular saw should be considered if you require the highest level of precision achievable. While laser guides are useful for making precise cuts, nothing beats the rail's strong guiding line. The Makita SP6000J is unique among circular saws because it provides this degree of precision without the limitations of a table saw. This saw can also produce long and repetitive cuts while keeping the same level of precision, thanks to its 55-inch guide rail. The 6.5-inch plunge blade and 12-amp motor are enough to handle most sorts of typical cuts encountered on residential and commercial projects. Unlike most circular saws, which can only begin a cut from the edge of the material, you may plunge the blade into the material from any point. If you expect to cut a variety of materials and thicknesses in one setting, the variable speed control dial will help you tailor the blade's speed to the material you're cutting. Moving up at number 2 is the SKILSAW SPT77WML0 circular saw. Circular saws are subjected to more stringent demands by professionals than by the average DIYer, and their instruments must be able to withstand the various forms of damage that can be seen on job sites. The SKILSAW SPT77WML0 is the sole option for those looking for the very finest in terms of durability and cutting power. It can cut up to 2 3/8-inch chunks of wood without flinching with the normal 7¼ cutting blade. With 0 and 45-degree locking, the blade may tilt up to 53 degrees. The magnesium-based construction is one feature that distinguishes this saw from others. This saw's overall design will withstand more damage than cheaper alternatives since it avoids the use of lighter metals and polymers. If you need to produce quick and accurate cuts of varying depths, SKILSAW's cut-ready technology comes in handy. And at number 1 is the Makita SH02R1 cordless circular saw. While corded circular saws have clearly more power, portability is important at times. You'll appreciate that the Makita SH02R1 not only cuts the cord, drawing power instead from the included 12-volt lithium-ion battery, but it also delivers a lot of power, delivering 1,500 RPM to quickly slice through plywood, MDF, pegboard, drywall, melamine, particle board, and other lightweight materials. Because the saw weighs only 3.5 pounds, it won't slow you down on the work. At 90 degrees, the 3 3/8-inch blade has a maximum cutting depth of 1 inch, and at 45 degrees, it has a maximum cutting depth of 5/8 inch. You can make bevel cuts from 0 to 45 degrees with a tilting base. So that sums up the today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.